Have you ever skipped meals without even realizing it? You're not alone. Many people find themselves in this situation, often wondering why they just don't feel hungry. Many people experience a lack of appetite, and it's not always about willpower. Sometimes it's about something deeper, something that isn't immediately obvious. There's a hidden reason behind those missing hunger pangs. It could be stress, anxiety, or even an underlying health issue that you haven't yet identified. Your body is talking to you, and it's time to listen. These signals are important and should not be ignored. Our bodies are complex machines. They have intricate systems that work together to keep us healthy and functioning. They send signals when something is off. A lack of appetite is one of those signals, indicating that something might be wrong. A lack of appetite is one of those signals. It can be a sign of physical or emotional distress. It's a sign that something needs attention. Whether it's a nutritional deficiency or a mental health concern, it's crucial to address it. Don't ignore this message from your body. Take the time to understand what it needs. It's trying to tell you something important. Pay attention to these cues and take action. Like a car running low on fuel, our bodies need food as fuel. Without it, we can't function at our best. It's time to uncover the mystery of your missing meals and get your appetite back on track. By understanding the root cause, you can take steps to improve your health and well-being.
Appetite is more than just a rumbling stomach. It's a complex signal from your body, a way of communicating its needs. It's your body's way of saying, "Fuel me up." When you feel hungry, it's a sign that your body needs energy and nutrients to function properly. It's essential for our health and well-being. Eating a balanced diet not only satisfies hunger but also provides the necessary vitamins and minerals. Think of appetite as a crucial player in a winning sports team. Just like each player has a specific role, your appetite helps regulate various bodily functions. Each player has a role, and together, they achieve victory. Similarly, your appetite works in harmony with your metabolism, digestion, and energy levels. Appetite works the same way with our metabolism, digestion, and energy levels. When you eat, your body starts a series of processes to convert food into energy. When you eat, your metabolism kicks into gear, like a race car revving its engine. This process helps your body efficiently use the nutrients from the food. It helps your body convert food into energy. This energy is crucial for everything you do, from thinking and moving to growing and repairing tissues. Without that initial hunger signal, your metabolism slows down, impacting energy levels. You might feel sluggish, tired, and less productive. Digestion also relies on appetite. When you feel hungry, your body prepares to digest food by releasing digestive juices. The feeling of hunger signals your body to release digestive juices, preparing to break down food. This ensures that the nutrients are absorbed efficiently. A low appetite can disrupt this process, leading to digestive issues. You might experience discomfort, bloating, or even nutrient deficiencies. And let's not forget about energy. Your body needs a constant supply of energy to perform daily activities and maintain overall health. Food provides the fuel our bodies need to power through the day. A nutritious meal can make a significant difference in how you feel and perform. A healthy appetite ensures we're getting enough of this essential fuel. By listening to your body's hunger signals, you can maintain optimal health and energy levels.
Now, let's unmask the culprits behind your suppressed appetite. You might be surprised to learn that several factors can sneakily influence your hunger without you even realizing it. Stress is a major offender. It's not just a mental burden, it has physical consequences too. When stress takes over, it can wreak havoc on our bodies, including our appetite. The constant state of tension can make it difficult for your body to recognize hunger signals. Imagine stress as a thief, sneaking in and stealing your hunger cues. It disrupts the normal functioning of your body, making you less likely to feel hungry. Stress hormones can interfere with the signals that tell your brain you're hungry. These hormones, like cortisol, can suppress your appetite or make you crave unhealthy foods. But stress isn't the only culprit. There are other hidden factors that can affect your appetite. Dehydration is another sneaky thief. When you're not properly hydrated, your body can mistake thirst for hunger. Often, our bodies confuse thirst for hunger. This can lead to unnecessary snacking when what you really need is a glass of water. Nutrient deficiencies can also play a role. If your diet lacks essential vitamins and minerals, your body might struggle to regulate your appetite properly. If our bodies aren't getting the essential nutrients they need, it can throw our appetites out of whack. This imbalance can make you feel less hungry or crave specific foods. And let's not forget about our gut health. The bacteria in our gut play a crucial role in how we feel hunger and fullness. An imbalance in our gut bacteria can send confusing signals to our brains, impacting our appetite. Keeping a healthy gut is essential for maintaining a balanced appetite.
Section 4. Quench your body's hunger signals. Don't worry, we've got you covered. The first step is simple: stay hydrated. Water is essential for countless bodily functions, including regulating appetite. Think of your body like a plant. Without water, it wilts. Keep yourself hydrated throughout the day, and you'll be amazed at the difference it makes. Herbal teas are another fantastic way to boost hydration and appetite. Ginger tea, known for its soothing properties, can work wonders for a sluggish digestive system. Peppermint tea is another great option, known for its ability to calm the stomach and stimulate appetite.
Section 5. The Power of Zinc. Zinc is a mighty mineral that plays a crucial role in appetite regulation and overall health. It's like a key that unlocks your appetite's full potential. Foods rich in zinc, like oysters, pumpkin seeds, and chickpeas, are like delicious treasure chests filled with this essential mineral. Incorporate these foods into your diet to give your body the zinc it needs to rev up your appetite.
Section 6. Awaken your appetite naturally. Sometimes all it takes is a little movement to jumpstart our appetite. Light exercise can do wonders for our bodies, including stimulating hunger cues. Imagine going for a brisk walk in nature or practicing some gentle yoga stretches. Not only will you feel refreshed, but you'll also awaken your body's natural hunger response. And let's not underestimate the power of relaxation. Stress can suppress appetite, so finding ways to unwind and de-stress is crucial.
Section 7. A surprising secret. Bitter is better. Here's a surprising secret: bitter foods can actually help boost appetite. Think of bitter foods as a wake-up call for your taste buds. They stimulate digestive enzymes, preparing your body for food and increasing your desire to eat. Incorporate bitter greens like arugula, dandelion greens, or radicchio into your salads. You can also try bitter melon, a unique fruit known for its appetite-stimulating properties. There you have it, the secrets to unlocking your appetite naturally. Remember, listening to your body is key. Pay attention to its signals and don't hesitate to try these natural solutions to get your appetite back on track.